Hello friends, if you forget your Indian Bank app password MPin, in this video I show you how to reset your password using Indian Bank mobile banking app. First friends, you click here in the smart app and click here, and here you see downside have option forgot MPin. Click here. Here you see here have two options, CIF number and mobile. You can choose here any one option, CIF number or mobile. So I choose here mobile. If you choose a CIF number, so CIF number have on your passbook. You check your passbook and you can writing here CIF number. So I choose here mobile. So I writing here my mobile number. So click here mobile. Which mobile number have registered with your Indian Bank account? That number you writing here. So mobile number I writing ready. Just simply click here. And this interface open ready. Here I have also two options, Aadhaar number and debit card. So any one you can choose. I choose here a debit card. If I choose here Aadhaar, you see here downside. Here need writing Aadhaar card number and click to continue. After you receive an OTP, that OTP you writing here. But I choose here my debit card, bank card. You see here first option debit card number. Here you writing your debit card number, 16 digit bank card number. And here you see a second option. Here you writing your bank card expiry date. You check your bank card in front. Bank card in front have a expiry date. That date you writing here. And next have a debit card 4-digit pin. So your bank card password you writing here. So friends, debit card all detail I fill up ready. Just simply click here continue. And friends, this interface open ready. Here you choose your new password. First box you choose your new MPin 0 to 9. Any digit you can choose here. And downside same MPin you writing again here. And simply click to continue. So friends, my Indian Bank IntSmart app new MPin, new password set ready successfully. So very simple or easy. If you forgot your MPin, then friends very easily you can reset your MPin again. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.